Austin, Texas. In a stunning development that has sent ripples through the Austin community, Dorsey Brian Hardman, the founder of the revered Continental Automotive Group, CAG, was arrested on charges related to a downtown Austin fire over the weekend. This incident marks a significant challenge for CAG, a company known for its deep community ties and mission centered on transformational experiences. Hardman's arrest on allegations of arson puts a spotlight on his actions and the future of Continental Automotive Group. Founded in 1966, CAG has grown from a single dealership to a cornerstone of the Austin automotive community, boasting a family-owned legacy that emphasizes quality, service, and community involvement. As the news unfolds, all eyes are on how CAG will navigate this crisis. This incident starkly contrasts with the company's stated core values, particularly their commitment to doing what they say they will do, supporting each other, and fostering continuous growth. The question now is how a company so intertwined with community and family values will address the actions of its founder who starkly opposes these principles. CAG's response will likely focus on reaffirming its dedication to the Austin community and its customers. The company's long history of community involvement, from supporting the Austin Children's Shelter to Meals on Wheels and more, underscores its potential to overcome this adversity. However, the path forward may involve significant challenges, including possible leadership changes and renewed efforts to distance the company's operations and ethos from Hardman's alleged actions. As Continental Automotive Group grapples with the implications of Hardman's arrest, the company stands at a crossroads. The coming days will reveal how deeply the founder's actions have impacted the company's legacy and what steps CAG will take to preserve its mission of being transformational, not transactional, in the face of adversity. The community and industry alike watch closely as one of Austin's automotive pillars faces its most challenging test yet.